Hello everyone, welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. Today we're going to look at how to shop the Black Friday sales or any sale in the Quiltster marketplace. The first thing you need to do is visit quiltster.com. Once there, you will click on Marketplace, and the Marketplace is a publicly accessible portion of our website where you can shop for kits, patterns, and fabric. Everything that you see for sale in the Marketplace is sold by and fulfilled by our quilt shop partners across the country. So every single kit, every single pattern, and every single fabric is fulfilled by these partners. And these partners are listed on every single listing, so you can see who you are purchasing from, who is fulfilling your order. And if you have a coupon code, it is going to be specific to one of those quilt shops. So if I'm in quilt kits here in the marketplace, I can go to quilt shops. I can filter for the specific quilt shop that is providing the coupon code. So for example, if Always Quilting is having a sale, I would just click Always Quilting, and that would give me all of their kits, and I can see their name here at the top, and then I can go ahead and purchase one of their kits. And once you do so, I'm going to add this to my cart. When you get to the shopping cart, that is where you enter the coupon code, and you have to enter it in order to get the sale. So you can enter your coupon code here. It needs to be in all caps, all one word, and then you would click apply. Once you click apply, you will see the discount appear in your subtotal here at the top. Now here's something that a lot of people don't know is you can enter multiple coupon codes here, one after another, for each different quilt shop that you have in your shopping cart. So you can buy kits from 3 different quilt shops and enter one coupon code per quilt shop per order. So you cannot have 2 coupon codes from the same shop, but you can enter 3 different quilt shops. So for example, if you're shopping the sale and you have a kit from Quiltworks, a kit from Always Quilting, and a kit from Thimbletown, when you get to your cart, you can enter in one code per shop and just apply each of those to your cart before checking out. And just make sure you enter it right here and click apply. Once you see all of your discounts listed here, then you can click proceed to checkout to purchase your items. And remember, go to the marketplace and you can shop for kits, and sometimes you'll have a coupon code that is specific to quilt patterns or specific to fabrics. So make sure you read the offer and you know what is on sale, and then go ahead and shop. And just remember to filter for that quilt shop so you can see everything that somebody's specifically offering. Thanks so much and happy shopping!